What is going on, everybody? Check what I got out, or check out what I got. Ha! What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm so excited. I can't even explain to you how excited I am about this. What I have here is a box from Luthiers Mercantile International, LMII.com. Everything in here is what I need to build my first acoustic guitar. There's a guy named Robbie O'Brien, O'BrienGuitars.com. And he offers an online acoustic guitar building course. Now he does private classes in his shop in Colorado, and he's been teaching acoustic guitar building for 20 or so something years, I don't know. This kit goes with his course online, or the one in his private class. What you'll do is, if you take a class with him in private, you'll buy this kit and build it with him in his shop. I can't do that, but this kit also goes with this online course, so that's what I'm doing. So today we're going to open the box and see what's in it. Alright, so I brought the camera in a little bit close. You don't need to see my face as I do this, I suppose, and it'll be easier for you to see right here. So let me open the box. And this is the start to my video series on building an acoustic guitar. And I will say that it's going to be more of an overview kind of video series, because I'm not going to teach you how to build a guitar. If you want to learn that, you can buy Robbie's course. I'm just going to be showing you briefly the steps that I'm doing in order to build it. Packing list here. Alright, so here we go. Looks like we got some kerfing and a piece of plywood with the kerfing. Is that just to keep the kerfing straight, maybe? Maybe so, but I think I'm not sure what kind of kerfing that is. Maybe mahogany? I can't remember what comes in the kit. Oh, you break it first thing out. Saw some little small strips. This may be some of the, really, I don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. I guess I'll find out later. Got this bag of some kind of hardware or something, I guess. Let's see what's in it. Little red baggie. Little pearl inlay dots for the fretboard. And a few other little small things. Little sticks for the side inlay dots. And the kit does come with a free apron. So it's got Luthiers Mercantile's logo on there. So that's free with the kit. Got a piece of mahogany here. This should all be quarter-sawn wood. So this is the neck blank, I believe. This is just a rough shape, so of course I'll have to make this into a neck. I may call something by what it's not, so forgive me. This is probably some brace wood. I think it's spruce brace wood is what he offers in his kit. Now this kit comes with choices, specific things that you have to get that go with his kit. So you're a little bit limited on what you can choose, but that's just to go with his kit or his course. Another piece, I'm guessing brace wood. More brace wood. Got the heel block, or the end block one. Here's the other one. So there's the heel block and the end block. Mahogany. For some reason he makes you buy a bottle of glue. This is yellow instrument glue. I don't know what the difference is between just normal yellow glue or Type Bond, but whatever, it comes with the kit. I guess I'll use it. Another plastic cap that goes with that, I guess. Here are the tuners. These are by Gotoh, G-O-T-O-H. Got some binding tape. There's two main things that I know of that I won't have to do, and that is to mill the wood from a tree. So you can see it comes in rough form, rough shape. It's already been milled for me, and I won't have to make the rosette. So the rosette comes pre-made. So I guess rosette making is kind of an advanced kind of thing. I don't know, but I think definitely for the second guitar I want to build my own. But I'm cool with having a pre-made one for me. So the rosette and the cutting the wood and milling wood from a tree. You know, I don't have milling machines, I don't have a joiner, I don't have stuff like that. So I have a planer, but I don't have the way to cut wood from a tree and to mill it. So this is you see this little pack of wood. I think that's the head plate. It goes on top of the head plate. This is a piece of maple, or there's the head plate veneer. There's a piece of maple head plate veneer there underneath this other wood. I'm not really sure what the other wood is. Off the top of my head, I can't tell you. The truss rod. Truss rod comes with the kit. And I got some more wood. This is going to be the sides, the back, and the soundboard. So here's all the wood I need to make the body. Pretty exciting. So what I have here is Indian rosewood for the back and the sides. And then I have Well, I don't know what this other piece is. There's the back, there's the sides, there's the soundboard. That's the other piece. Is that the fingerboard? That's the fingerboard. So the fretboard. Fretboard is West African ebony, I think. And the head plate too. I think the head plate is West African ebony. They were out of stock of the normal ebony that they sell, so I wasn't able to buy the kit for a month. I finally contacted them and they said that they're out of stock. They have it stickered and drying, but it won't be available for some time. So they told me that I could get a lower grade West African ebony. So I went with that because I don't really care. I just want to get building. Got some purfling, maybe black, white, black purfling to go on the edges of the body. Oh, I bet y'all know what that is then. So this long, small, bendable pieces, that must be the binding. It's in the same package as the kerfing. So that's the binding. Here's the purfling. And got some fret wire. And I got an envelope here. I don't know what's in the envelope. Oh, it's the plans. Full scale plans. These come with the kit, so I'll be doing a lot of referencing off of these. OM style guitar. It's got all the bracing patterns and everything on there. So pretty exciting. And that's everything in the box, I think. Pretty excited. I gotta say, I cannot wait to get started. I've got most of the tooling I need to do the very first parts of the guitar, which is thicknessing the sides and the soundboard and top, bending the sides. But there are several things that I still need to build the guitar, which I can either try to rig myself or just slowly buy. So this is not really the cheapest thing I've ever gotten into, but I'm very excited about it, and I've been wanting to build an acoustic guitar for 7 years. So, well, that's going to do it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so that you can follow along with me as I build this first acoustic guitar. I just recently built a ukulele, so I'll have a link to it in the video description, or you'll see a link here at the top. So that's what kind of really got me excited about doing a guitar. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.